There's another guy. What do you think about PewDiePie using Linux? He's an Arch person, no?
He's an Arch person. He's got the most gorgeous arc. So the world's biggest streamer for a while. I remember my kids watching some of his Minecraft videos. And then he just gets fed up with that, does the wholesome thing, marries
Yeah, family man now.
a family man, kid, moves to Japan, and then gets so hardcore into first Linux, then Arch, then ricing. Did you see his rice that was Chernobyl rice?
Yep.
Absolutely S tier, incredible stuff. And then he also becomes a goddamn AI man of the moment, building all of these systems, and you just go like, "That what an inspiring story of evolution!" Like you can go from being funny guy on Minecraft streams to okay, this is my life now. I'm building AI clusters and doing the council of AIs, and we all get to spectate. I mean, what a treasure!
So I guess, I mean, he's a pretty good embodiment of what the future of software, what the future of building looks like, right? Because he's a non-programmer, technically,
Yes,
becoming a programmer.
hugely inspiring, and should be hugely inspiring to others who sit in that moment like, well, I don't know quite how to program. I don't know this and that. And like, okay, but if PewDiePie can build the council of AIs with his bespoke hardware here, then maybe you can also start on things. And I think this is actually an important general point that we need role models. We need people to inspire others, to push further and reveal that the perceived boundaries, they're not as fixed as you think they are. And every one of those people, they started out in a situation not too dissimilar from yours. Again, that doesn't mean everyone is going to be PewDiePie or Elon or Linus. There is not an equal distribution of talent or even intelligence. And we can come to terms with that and still be inspired by these people. Like in the physical realm, I feel like we don't have any problems with that usually. Like, oh, someone's really good at football. They're really good at basketball. They're really good at something. And we go like, oh my, that's amazing. I mean, I wish I was, but I'm never going to be. Sometimes I feel like we struggle a little more when it comes to the intellectual realm.